Hi guys! So, welcome to our mini vlog here at De La Salle Araneta University. So, makikita nyo naman dito na
Madaming halaman dito, tsaka
napakaraming halaman, puno.
daming mga natural garden po tayo dito.
Yes, tama. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. Explore natin ang De La Salle Araneta University.
Kita kits.
Did you know that botany is a branch of biology that deals with the study of plant life? And the father of botany is a Greek naturalist called Theophrastus.
I'm gonna tell you something about control garden. Do you know about control garden? So, the control garden is the specific area where you grow plants is in under control conditions. Is to study their growth and development. Then also, control garden helps researchers compare their effects of different variables like soil type, water levels, and also by keeping something else constant.
If you know, we have something called natural gardens. These gardens mimic the function and appearance of nature and therefore need less maintenance than usual garden plants. So if you see here at this side, this is an example of natural gardens. So because we utilize native plants around the area, they require less maintenance.
Did you know some trees can actually communicate with each other? When insects are actually eating off of the tree, it can actually produce a bad tasting chemical that can ward off those insects. And the most interesting part is that those chemicals can actually be used as a warning or communication for other trees of the same species that there are plant or leaf eating insects around.
Ang mga plants dito sa DLSAU ay diverse. May mga inalagaan katulad nitong lantana o ang scientific name ay lantana camara na ginawa ng mga previous vet students. At meron ding mga halamang hinahayaan lang tumubo katulad ng mga halaman doon. At meron ding gumamela na ang scientific name ay Hibiscus rosa sinensis.
Tara, samahan nyo kami sa aming interview.
So for today, we have a freshman here. So I'll be asking you two questions. So what are your perception and thoughts for botany as a course we need to take for veterinary medicine?
I think dahil kailangan natin malaman ang nutrients ng plants dahil ginagamit to as feed sa iba't ibang klase ng animals.
So sa susunod naman na question, why are plants important like sa veterinary medicine or just in general?
First of all, nagbibigay ito ng oxygen, tapos pinapakain siya sa animals, then pwede rin siyang gamitin as medicines.
So salamat sa mga pagsagot ng questions.
So, what do you think of botany as a course?
I think botany is an interesting subject and definitely something that us veterinary students should take up.
Okay. So, what do you think of the plants here in the LSAU?
I think there is a large variety of plants here in De La Salle Araneta, and I think that each has its own interesting property and should be studied by us veterinary students.
Last question. Why do you think plants are important?
I think plants serve a huge role in the ecosystem as part of the biodiversity of this planet.
Thank you.
As a second year taking botany, what is your perception towards it?
I think it's very interesting. I mean, all living things need some source of energy, and botany will provide us insight on what possible animals require, possible different kind of plants, and yeah,
And speaking of plants, what do you think about the plants here in DLSAU?
they're fine. They're all lush and green. I don't see any problems with them.
Following up, why are plants important?
But like I said, they bring us like different sources of like energy, materials, hence why they are so important to our culture or even our livelihood in general.
Okay, thank you.
Para sa inyo po, bakit po importante ang plants?
So, importante yung plants, lalo-lalo na sa course nyo in studying of botany, kasi not all animals are carnivores. Okay, so some of the animals are considered as herbivores. Okay, so may subject kayo, if I'm not mistaken, na plant animal nutrition. Okay, wherein doon may gumagawa ng mga feeds, and then number one ingredients are plants. Okay, so that's why plant or botany is part of your course. Okay, particularly in terms of the making of feeds, okay, and the rest. Yun lang.
Thank you po.
Ano po perception niyo dito sa halaman sa DLSAU?
Well, actually, medyo surprising siya considering nasa gitna tayo ng Metro Manila. So, medyo marami siya in wide diversity. Kasi kung iniisip natin Metro Manila, puro buildings at yung mga bahay. Pero considering nasa gitna nga, marami-rami. So, maayos siya at maganda.
Bakit po importante po ang mga halaman?
Well, on top of nagbibigay sila ng oxygen para sa atin at sa hayop, meron din siyang maraming mga importances like yung pwede siyang pagkain para sa tao o sa hayop. Meron din siyang mga medicinal properties na yung pinaggagawan siya. And lastly, yung parang landscaping nga siya. So parang mas magandang tingnan ng lugar yung kaysa wala. Thank you po.
One eternity later.
So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Bebot, 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 bebot.